Monarchs. In this week's video, I got a cute and simple nail set. Continue watching to see how I did these. Let's file down nails. Perfect. Adding primer, of course, to our natural nails. After that sat there till dry, let's apply base coat and recure that for 120 seconds or until dry. Instead of a color PolyGel, I switched it to a transparent PolyGel color. I have slip solution on my damp dish. I apply a thin layer on my dual forms. I was trying out yet again the dual forms with the guided lines, but I ended up switching them back to my normal ones because the arch was just a little too much. Start off, of course, with a small, decent amount of PolyGel and then work your way up from there. And please turn it around or kind of look at it in a different angle so that you could get every single edge and every single corner. I actually redid my thumb with the dual forms that I normally use, but I'm going to continue on with the rest of my nails. Same exact method, just different, I guess, dual forms, but literally it's exactly the same. Let's file and buff these nails out. Awesome. Applying top coat on nails and curing that for 120 seconds or until dry. I'm going to be using Sally Hansen Mega Strength in the color Be Iconic. For the design, I'm doing a diagonal French tip nail. Doing that for all my nails and curing that for 120 seconds or until dry. This is how they look. I'm going to be applying some gold flakes onto the nails. Applying some top coat before applying the flakes, just because I feel like the top coat in a way acts like glue. Alrighty, we got our first nail done, and let's continue on with the rest. When all nail is done, cure that for 120 seconds or until dry. Don't forget to apply cuticle oil. And voila, we got our beautiful nail set for the summer done. Let me know in the comments below what color screams summer for you. Thank you all so much for watching. See you next week. Love you. Bye.